Hello everybody and welcome back. This week we are working on March 15th through the 21st, and March 20th is spring. It's the official day of spring, so I'm so excited. This last Thursday the weather was absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous. And then today it was pretty nice. It started out really warm, then it cooled down for a little bit, but then in the later afternoon, it turned out to be really, really pretty. So I pulled a couple of stickers, as you can see here, and I am trying to work only from the spring book. So we'll see how it goes. I was playing around with a few different spreads, and I don't know if it's going to work out, but let's try. I love this sticker. This was the inspiration for the layout, and this one says springtime is my fave time. So I was going to possibly use some washi. Then I have this washi. I wasn't sure if it would really go, so I don't know, we'll see. For right now, I'd like to lay down the stickers, and if I can throw in some washi here and there, that would be good. Oh, these stickers stick. Is that even... Okay, here we go. I put them on the wax so that they don't stick so bad. Oh, that wasn't too hard to get up. This weather just makes me want to do nothing but sit outside and enjoy this weather. Is that straight? I think it kind of, no, it kind of goes off. Maybe I should line it up with this black line rather than the top. Let's do that and see if it'll work. Do you guys have this problem? Okay, now see, that worked out fine. Okay, that's such a pretty sticker. I didn't want to waste it and not use it. So the next one that I saw was this sticker. And it just says rainy days and butterflies, daffodils and bright gardens, happiness, big bouquets, and then it just continues repeating. So I thought that would be nice right over here, along with this sticker. Is that straight? It's a good thing they come off of each other easily. Let's line it up with one of these words. There we go. Okay. Sometimes when I think that they're not straight, when I look back at the videos, I see that they are. All right, and I think what I wanted to do is put this purple checklist right here. All right. Okay, let's get over to this other side. Let's put this blue on here because then we're going to have blue on this side. So let's go ahead and add this guy right here. Alrighty. And on here, I was going to use this sticker along with another sticker. Or maybe what I'll do is I'll use it with the Hello Spring, because spring is on the 20th. So if I lay this here, let's go ahead and put that there. All right, oh, that's looking good. It's looking like a functional spread, which is fine with me. It doesn't always have to be a decorated spread. I have this little sticker that says Hello Weekend, and now I can put it up here, and I'll spread it among Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All right. And then we have a couple of more of these checklist little bars. Oh, I took out too many pages. So let's put one here. And then I guess we'll decorate it with icons. So this is going to be a functional week. Let's put one down here. And maybe one right here. You know, my house is older, and I'm telling you, it makes some noises, and sometimes it scares me. I mean, I'm pretty used to the noises that it makes. Sometimes, maybe we can find another sticker with these colors in it. Let's look through the book. This is such a cute book. Spring Vibes. Hello Spring. What's this? Make It Bloom. That's kind of cute because it does match that. Let's keep looking. Oh, that would be kind of cute. This big one, Sunny Days Are My Favorite Days. That might be cute. Or Today Is the Day. Let's see if this will fit. I'm not sure that it will. Let's put it on the... Oh yeah, it'll fit perfectly. Okay. So let's go ahead and line this up right down here. And this, in this box, we can write what's going to be happening for next week. Okay. I think that's looking pretty. And then this says, bloom where you're planted. And there was a really pretty sticker. It was that hot pink sticker. And I was going to pull it, and then I noticed that it says it right here. So let's see what we can do maybe on this. Normally, you know, I don't do anything here, but why don't we put a to-do sticker right over this. Straighten that out a little bit. Okay. And then let's look at our icons. Maybe we can put some flowers or something around. We have these little flowers and we have this flower pot. I really like the way that it's set up. It's so functional. It's really pretty. This is cute. It says, so long winter, hello spring. Oh boy, let's see what we've got. We have this cute little pot, but it's got yellow in it, and I don't have any yellow on here. Let's see this bouquet. I wish these were clear. Sometimes the clear stickers look so much nicer when they're laid out on the spread. No, I don't really like that. I think these are all paper stickers. Here's some clear ones. There's not really any green in them. These are cute. See, like right now, it sounds like my sons are home, but I know that they're not home. And I could have sworn I heard my son's voice. The other day, I'm not kidding you guys. I was, where was I? I think I was in my room. And I thought I heard my son coming home from work. And I had called out his name. At first, I couldn't understand why he was home at least 30 minutes before he was supposed to be off. And then I heard, it sounded like he had walked into the house and he was talking on the phone to his brother. And then I called, you know, from my bedroom, I called out his name. All of a sudden, the talking stopped. So I went and looked around the house and he wasn't here. So I don't know whose voice I heard. But I think I hear their voices now. They might be home. Oh, yeah, they are home. They are home. Oof, that scares me. But the other day, they weren't home. Okay, let's put some more cute little decorations. This flower pot is so cute. Look at this little shopping bag. Little shopping bag is cute. This is really cute. Like, I want to put it over here. There we go. Because it says, bloom where you're planted. That looks like a little fruit stand or a... That's cute right there. Can you see the book? So anyway, sometimes it does scare me. I know it sounds crazy. Oh boy. Let me see. Let's see, do we have anything? Let's see in the front again. I don't know. I think, you know what? I'm really loving it just the way it is. And I think that maybe that's why I can't really find anything, because I do love it the way it is. This is kind of cute. Maybe I can pull that and put it right here. It says, hello, sunshine. You know what? I think this is it. I think this is a great looking setup or spread, and I'm going to put it in and just look at it. Yeah, so anyway, my house is haunted, but it's a good friendly ghosts, not mean ghosts. So anyway, here is my spread, and I hope you like it. It's a functional spread, and I think it's cute. I think it turned out great. So I always pat myself on the back. You know, we always have to praise ourselves. So here we go. This is what it looks like. There you go. So I will see you guys soon. Thank you very much for subscribing and for liking my videos. And if you haven't already, please do consider subscribing. It would really help out my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.